Masquerade saying, Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zinc Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa garoka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Masquerade Zimbabwe itakigirai nyaya ya dzoka zvakare mudariro nyaya investigations a grenade attack yakatargeta President Emmerson Mnangagwa and other VIPs during a ZRP rally yakaitwa ku White City Stadium ku Bulawayo musi wa23 June mugore 2018. nyaya iyi yatora a dramatic new twist apari kunze pane ma-Chinese investigators akaunzwa muZimbabwe kuti vaonekwe vachifambira nyaya iyoyo. So a team of detectives from the CID they revisited the crime scene on 27 November vachibatsirana nema-Chinese investigators muZimbabwe. There was a brief standoff nema-security guards pa White City Stadium apo pavairambidzwa kupinda ma-detectives aya vachinzi vanga vasina kill clearance from the city hall muZimbabwe. But the police vakaonekwa vachipinda muZimbabwe without the official briefing on the matter muZimbabwe. A source yakataura neZim Live yakataura ichiti former Chinese guys vakaspenda time vachiinterviewa vanhu vanga vari present musi wakaitika the day pamusi wakaitika explosion iyoyi muZimbabwe. Chinzi there were manotes akatorwa pamwechete madrawings akatorwa hanzi vakatora about 2 hours varipo pa White City Stadium vachiita ma-investigations avo. The National Police spokesperson Commissioner Ponyati vataura ivo vachiti hapana chavari kuziva pamusoro penyaya iyi yanzi hapana chavari kuziva pamusoro pema-Chinese investigators aya ari kanzi ari munyika. Zim Live yakabuda ichitaura iyo ichiti muna June vaMnangagwa vakaorder the police kuti vafinalize ma-investigations in this grenade attack muZimbabwe yakaitika just 6 months President Emmerson Mnangagwa vapinda presidency following a coup iyo yakanga yabvisa Robert Mugabe. So ma-initial investigations ari kunzi hapana kwaakasvika. Nekuizvozvo police yakataura iyo ichiti vakadevelopa theory yekuti grenade iri rakakandwa musi uyu ranga rabva from the military. Evidence yakacollectwa from mascenes aya akabuda achitaura iyo achiti the grenade rakagadzirwa ku the former Soviet Union and that type of grenade hanzi chiri inactive use by the Zimbabwe military according to my sources. So my reports akanga abuda anga ari kuti the grenade rainge rabva ku the ZRP armory, but ma-reports yakabva adismisswa akakasika kudismisswa. The police vachitaura vachiti grenade stock yavo yakaitwa disposed of mugore ra1980 muZimbabwe. Ndofunga this bomb rakaputika just a few meters from President Emmerson Mnangagwa and others ZRP VIPs apo pakaonekwa 2 ma-ADs Vice President Constantino Chiwenga pamwechete neWakembo Moadi vachiuraiwa muZimbabwe. Makembo Moadi vakakuwara gumbo muchiitiko ichochi ende vakaendeswa ku South Africa uko vakanorapwa along with survivors anga aripo. Among them papana the Minister of Defense Comrade Opa Muchinguri. Just days after this incident Mnangagwa vakabuda vachitaura neThe BBC vachiti he was going to arrest whoever anga behind this thing muZimbabwe. Zvakare muna August 2018 apa vai-addressa the parliamentary candidates vange vawina ma-elections vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti vanga vane knowledge muZimbabwe yemunhu akazviita hanzi they were waiting for the electoral process kuti ipere vaonekwa vachisunga munhu iyeye muZimbabwe. Tikaziva kuti tinoona sei nyaya iyi kuti pane anything chati chaitika here kana kuti zvakonzeresa kuti ma-Chinese investigators vaonekwa vachipinda muZimbabwe vachifambira nyaya iyoyi. Nyaya yakabudiswa neZim Live vachitaura ivo vachiti the investigation into the June 23, 2018 grenade attack targeting President Emmerson Mnangagwa and other VIPs during a ZRP rally at White City Stadium in Bulawayo has taken a dramatic new twist after Chinese investigators were brought in. Zim Live can review. A team of detectives from a criminal investigation department revisited the crime scene on November 27 in the company of 4 Chinese investigators. There was a brief standoff with security guards from the White City Bulawayo who would not let them into the stadium as the detectives had no prior clearance from City Hall. The police team barged their way through, according to a council official briefed on the matter. The 4 Chinese guys spent time interviewing people who were present on the day of explosion. They also dutifully made drawings and took notes. They were there for about two hours, the source said. National Police spokesperson Commissioner Ponyati said he had no knowledge of Chinese investigators in the country. ZimLive reported in June that Mnangagwa had ordered police to finalize the investigation into the grenade attack, which came just 6 months into presidency, following a military coup that ousted long-time leader Robert Mugabe. The initial investigation appears to have gone nowhere, although police are reported to have developed a working theory that the grenade came from the military. Evidence collected from the scene positively identified the explosive device as an offensive fragmentation grenade made in the former Soviet Union. The type of grenade is in active use by Zimbabwe's military, according to the sources. Early reports soon after the bombing explosion had suggested that military investigators suspected that the grenade may have come from ZRP's armory, but it was quickly established that the police disposed of their grenade stocks in the late 1980s. The blast went off just meters from President Mnangagwa and other ZANU-PF VIPs as they were leaving the stadium on June 23, killing 2 aides of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga and Kembo Muhadi. Muhadi suffered leg injuries in the explosion and was treated in South Africa along with several other survivors, among them Defense Minister Opa Mchunguri. Just days after the incident, Mnangagwa told the BBC on June 27 that his hunch without evidence was that loyalists of former President Mugabe and his wife, Grace, were behind the attack. He vowed that arrests would be made immediately. Then in June 2018, whilst addressing ZANU-PF parliamentary candidates who had just won elections, Mnangagwa said, "We now have the knowledge on who did it. We want the current electoral processes to pass than we do with that matter." Ndomagulitiro wakati wa nyaya iyi mari Zimbabwe tinyaziye kuti muneona sei nyaya iyi tiudziwe zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.